Your brain doesn't actually hate hard work. It hates uncertainty, effort without reward, and anything that threatens the comfort it learned to protect. That's why you don't feel like starting. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is trying to keep you predictable. But today, you're not waiting to feel ready. You're going to change the way effort feels inside your head. Not with hype, but with strategy. Step 1. Move before you think. The hardest part of any task isn't the work. It's the first physical movement. When you stay in bed or keep scrolling, your brain keeps negotiating. Later, maybe tomorrow. Your only job is to interrupt that loop. Don't think about the full plan, just stand up. The moment your feet touch the ground, the argument ends. Momentum isn't built with big actions. It's built with tiny, irreversible movements that tell your brain, we already started. Step 2. Raise energy before discipline. Most people wait to feel motivated. That's backwards. Energy creates motivation, not the other way around. A short walk, cold water on your face, or even a coffee can increase alertness enough to make starting easier. But don't treat caffeine like magic. It's leverage. You're not using it to escape effort. You're using it to increase your energy by 10%, so starting feels possible. Small energy boosts can turn a heavy task into something you're actually willing to begin. Step 3. Shrink the entry point. Your brain resists big, undefined goals. Study for 2 hours. Build a business. Fix your life. Those feel heavy, so you avoid them. Instead, shrink everything. Not fake shrinking, real shrinking. Open the laptop and write one line. Do one push-up. Start so small it almost feels pointless. Because once you begin, something strange happens. Starting feels harder than continuing. You don't need discipline for hours. You need a doorway that feels small enough to walk through. Step 4. Attack during clean window. Your brain has a period in the day where it's less cluttered by distractions and decisions. That's your clean window, usually the early hours after you wake up. This isn't about waking up at 5 a.m. to look disciplined. It's about using the hours when your brain hasn't built excuses yet. Start the hardest task during that window, and resistance feels weaker because the mental noise isn't there. Protect that window. Use it for the hardest thing on your list before the world pulls your attention away. Step 5. Make quitting feel harder. Most people try to make work easier, but a stronger move is making escape harder while progress stays visible. Your brain looks for the fastest exit when effort begins. So remove the easy way out. Set a timer, close distractions, commit to one clear action. Then, finish small, visible pieces of work. One set, one section, one focused sprint. When quitting feels inconvenient and progress becomes obvious, your brain stops chasing comfort and starts linking effort with reward. Over time, those small completions prove you're someone who follows through, and hard work shifts from a fight into identity. You don't need to force your brain forever. You need to teach it that movement is normal, starting is easy, and effort has meaning. The goal isn't to become perfect. The goal is to become someone who begins, even when it's uncomfortable, and watch how hard things stop feeling impossible and start feeling inevitable. Subscribe.